Everyone and welcome. My name is Ms.Stefany. How are you guys doing? Today we're going to read a really funny and stinky story, and it's called Frankie the Fart Wants a Friend. So let's go ahead and see the story. It was written by Daniel Huerga. Hello there! I'm Frankie the Fart. I know what you're thinking, that all farts are gassy and stinky. And it's true. Mostly, sometimes we just harmless puffs of air. You might also be thinking that farts are gassy and stinky to keep people away. But guess what? I may be stinky, but I'm the friendliest fart you'll ever meet. Or should I say sniff? I think I have what it takes to make a great friend. I'm funny, I'm the last to leave a party, and I love meeting new people. I especially love surprising them. So far, no one has been hanging around me. It's been a little lonely. It's time for me to find my pals. Fancy dinner. How perfect. A room full of future friends. I'll spread cheers to all of these guests as a one-puff wonder. Ooh, everyone left. Everyone left because it was one puff wonder was too strong. Oh dear, that did not go well. I guess they don't appreciate a good tune like I expected. And he said, was I too loud? Look, and it says, this time I'll be as silent as a ninja. No one seems happy that I'm here. I don't understand. Look at this crowd. They certainly look like they could use a new friend. Here I come. Oh, everyone's running away because it's too sticky. I think hitting the alarm button was a little too much. Am I meant to be alone? Can I ever find a friend? I don't think I should give up. But these big people can't appreciate a nice fart. I see some small people approaching. Should I try one last time? Hello, everyone. I'm Frankie. Do you want to see something funny? You're funny. Do you want to play hide and stink with us? Yes. Frankie wants to play hide and stink. All right, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this funny fart book. I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye. Toot toot.